everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today's show is going to be a real good recipe. We have William cooking with me from time to time, and this is one of his favorites. So this is the one we're going to start out with.
We got the ground beef, the pizza dough, the Mexican style cheese, shredded lettuce, sour cream, taco seasoning, diced tomatoes, mozzarella, olives.
And I also have some pecorino romano mixed in with your mozzarella just to make it good.
Yes.
So what do we do first?
First, we're going to ground the ground beef.
Get out of the way of the chef, right? I'm just here because I want to get the first piece of pizza when it's all done. That'll take a little bit to cook.
Yes.
How about if I sing a song and do a little dance for us?
Sounds good.
Can't sing and I can't dance. We're in trouble. But this is going to be a good show.
Yes.
The last one we did together was a chicken recipe. You'll see that in the menu. And we had all kinds of problems. I mean, everything from things didn't work to dropping things to, I don't know, a few things might have even blown up or caught on fire. I don't know, but it was a tough show. So, and you know, we're really not even trying to do a show here. All we're doing is cooking dinner and filming it, just to show you how to do it. So, I'm sure you guys have made tacos 100 times. And William is a little bit quieter than I am, so
Just a little bit.
I'll try to fill in the gaps.
This sardines brown.
Might want to pull that pan back a little bit. It's kind of not on center. Yeah. You know, even though they use this cooker all over the world to cook dinner, and especially on the other side of the world, they're cooking dinner on that. It's not as hot as a stove, and it cooks slower. So if you want to cook slower, use one of those. And I know a lot of people do like to use that out on their island to cook rather than using the stove. But the stove will cook that faster.
Yeah. Okay. Next, we're going to lay out the pizza dough on the cookie sheet.
I'm anxiously waiting to see how we roll that out. Might have to turn it long ways. There you go, yeah. We might have to buy a bigger cookie sheet. And then we'll have to make more cookies. I don't know if I made any cookies.
You want to try to get as even as possible.
You know what we didn't do was spray the cookie sheet.
Oh, we're going to do it.
Yeah, why don't you pull it forward and I'll spray it for you. I just remember that. We'll be sorry if we don't. You ready?
Yeah.
And you spray a little of this under here too. Yay, we got the cookie sheet.
Okay.
Look at that, huh? That looks really good. Good thing I pre-opened that for you, huh?
You want to use about half. Then you take it half of the taco salad and mix it.
Want a whisk?
A spoon's fine.
Okay.
And
I like to use a spoon anyway, you know, because I kind of like to do this as if I was to say, hey, you know, I'm doing this without any special stuff. You know, I don't want you to think I'm a chef, because I'm not. I'm just cooking dinner for us is all I'm doing.
okay, next you put the sour cream onto the dough, spread it.
Do you want a little basting brush to spread that out?
This should be good.
I got the Google colors over there. You know, it's hard when you cook in somebody else's kitchen, because I know where all my stuff is. I'm the one that put it there. Unless Barb empties the dishwasher, then I can't find anything. I have to check. If I ever can't find my car keys, I'm going to check the freezer. Well, so far this looks really good, because I like sour cream. I like taco sauce. I noticed you didn't do the red pepper flakes. So
No.
is that your brother that likes the hot stuff?
I'm being,
Or are you just doing it for us?
yeah, just doing it.
Okay. I'm taking so much medicine as a diabetic that my stomach is not happy with me anyway. I know my son, he loves hot pepper stuff. We used to make pasta and stuff, and he would definitely use red pepper flakes and pasta sauce.
Almost well done.
Yeah, this is pretty simple. You know, this is a $30-some pizza he's making here. And I don't know what we spent on ingredients, but I'll guess $10.
Probably about. And then you want to take your cheeses.
Yeah, we got a couple of different kinds of cheeses. We have a Mexican cheese mix, which is Monterey Jack. And then we have the mozzarella and the pecorino.
You just sprinkle it on top.
I think the pecorino is sheep's milk. I'm trying to remember from years and years ago I heard that.
And you could even use some of the other cheese.
I like multiple different types of cheese. I like the layer of multiple cheeses. That would be cheese, cheese, cheese.
Next, you want to take the other seasoning and put it into the ground beef and give it a good stir. Okay, then you spread it in to the pizza. Try to spread it around.
Do you put any in your pocket for later? Or
If
is it-
there's leftovers.
Is that only when you're making cookies? I was a kid once, and I remember we went to a store, and they had cookies and coffee there. I was with my grandpa, and I grabbed a couple of cookies and put them in my pocket. Man, did I get yelled at? So you're supposed to eat them, not take them. So I took them out of my pocket and ate them. This is such a good idea.
I love this. I made it a few times already.
And he found this off the internet, and then we modified it to make it our own. But everybody can copy it. Everybody's welcome to use it. That's why we're doing this. You're welcome to copy it and make it. I don't think there's any patent on cooking ground beef.
Almost done. Just one more scoop.
Okay, we'll just look at that. That looks
Okay,
delicious.
next you want to take your tomatoes.
Now, are you going to use a tomato sauce? Or
No.
you're just using the tomatoes, and you may use some of the juice out of there if you want, but
Yeah, just the tomatoes, no sauce. Because you had the sour cream and the taco mix for the base.
okay. Looks
And
really, really good.
You could use some olives.
And you told me we hold off on the lettuce until later,
Yes.
till the end. So don't cook your lettuce.
No, not yet. Then you sprinkle some cheese on, more cheese.
If you want, I can shred up some more of that too while that's cooking for the topping.
It's good.
If a little cheese is good, a lot of cheese is better. Just like donuts. Just like donuts and days off.
Then you want to put this in the oven for about 8 minutes.
All right. And he's throwing that in the oven. We'll clean up and we'll be right back. The beeper just beeped and it is ready to come out of the oven. We're going to put it on a cooling rack here. If you have a ceramic top, you probably don't have to, but wow, look at that. Now that is super cool. That looks really good.
Okay. Next we're going to put on the shredded lettuce. Sprinkle. And then more cheese.
More cheese, more cheese.
There we go.
That little Ziploc bag is a son of a gun to get open. Lots of cheese.
And then you put it for another minute in the oven.
Okay, your gloves. Make sure you use some good gloves because that is going to be one hot pizza. I have a stone in there, so that helps to increase it.
I'm just going to cut.
We're going to eat this pizza. Bye for now.